learned a couple of things that I believe that I can add to my experience.
I came to know about web development and then mobile app development. What I learned here has even motivated me to even look into it more and develop my skills.
I also learned about the customer, how to treat a customer, how to approach a customer, how to even segment it.
Some of the things we learn is evaluating our market, getting to know whether our product fits the market, and building customer relationship, and also having it at mind every now and then that we are in to provide value to our customers.